Okay, everybody, let's check your understanding with a concept check. What is the name of Cu2O? Pay close attention, pause here, and come back to check out the answer with me. Okay, if you named this compound as copper 1 oxide, you were correct. This is because when we take it apart and figure out the charge on the anion oxide, we can see that the charge on copper should actually be a 1 plus to cancel out the 2 minus to get a 0 net charge. So let's follow the steps that we listed in the lecture last time. So what I did was I wrote down below the chemical formula the charge on the oxygen, right? The charge on the oxide. We see a black O down there with a 2 minus charge, right? Then I listed all of the pieces involved in this chemical formula. I just left one O2 minus because there's just a 1, right, after the O in the compound. And then I listed the 2 copper ions down below as well. I have colored the copper in that copper color. So in order to figure out what the charge must be on each copper, I thought that, well, since there is a 2 minus charge on the oxide, each one of those 2 coppers must have a plus 1 charge, right, or a 1 plus. And so when I write out my chemical, or rather when I write out the name, I place that 1 in the Roman numeral after the copper to mean that the charge on copper is a 1 plus. Then I left a space, and then I named the anion as oxide.